See, we're gonna get good whip on this one. In order for us to get the whip, we need the sit one. As soon as it does the go. Never mind, that's dirty.
You don't have to write anything.
I don't have to write anything.
Oh, my legs.
I don't have to write anything.
Oh, brother. Maybe this was a mistake. Thanks.
You're welcome.
For your safety, please remain seated with your safety belt secure at all times. Also, please keep all hands and arms.
Oh my god, I actually got whip on that. Ninja go! Okay, maybe if I keep my legs like this, the turns will be less painful. Like, the ride itself is not that bad. It's just the fact that I have to sit like I'm riding on the Jersey Devil.
Captain, you can have a sunny day.
Oh, I'm stuck.